Hey everyone, welcome back to Corporate Decoder, the place where we decode the hidden language of business filings. Today, we're diving into a report that might sound a bit dry at first, but trust me, there is a story about real estate and commitment lurking within. So, SolarMax's Technology Inc., a company we've looked at before, has just filed an 8K form. This isn't their biggest, boldest announcement, but it tells us something important about their operations and future plans. Think of it as a relationship status update, but for a business and its office space. Scroll date of report, date of earliest event reported, the 3rd of February 2026, the 28th of January 2026. Scroll, this report is dated the 3rd of February 2026, but the most important event it is reporting on happened a little earlier on the 28th of January 2026. This is all about SolarMax's Technology Incorporated. They're a Nevada incorporated company, and you might know their stock symbol SMXT, which trades on the Nasdaq. Now, why is this filing important? Well, it is about a material definitive agreement in plain English. It means they've signed something significant that will likely change how they do business or how their finances look. This section is where the real news is. It is all about an amendment to their lease. So SolarMax's Technology is renting office space and they've just signed a new deal to stay there longer. They've extended their lease for their main offices in Riverside, California. The old lease was set to expire at the end of 2026, but now, thanks to this amendment, it is extended all the way to the 31st of December, 2033. That is a pretty significant commitment, 7 more years of renting that space. What does this mean financially for SolarMax? Well, the rent is going up. For 2026, the annual base rent is $1,855,566, but it is not staying there. It is set to increase each year, reaching $2,282,112 by 2033. So they're locking in higher rent costs for a good chunk of the future. They'll also continue to pay operating expenses just like before, which is pretty standard. The amendment also touches on construction expenses. Some of that cost will be covered by the landlord, and some will be on SolarMax. This is often how these things work to make sure the space is updated to the tenant's needs, and importantly, this extension comes with mutual releases, meaning both parties agree to let go of any past claims related to the lease. Looking at the exhibits, we see exactly what this amendment is. Exhibit 99.1 is the actual amendment to lease agreement dated the 26th of January 2026. While we don't get to see the full details in this public filing as some confidential information is deleted, the main points are clear: a long-term commitment to their current location with increasing rent. So, what is the story here? SolarMax's Technology Incorporated is signaling stability and a long-term plan for its operational base. By extending their lease for 7 years, they are essentially saying they expect to be in Riverside, California, for the foreseeable future. This could be a good sign for employees and local operations, showing the company isn't planning any immediate relocation or major shifts in its physical footprint. From a financial perspective, the increasing rent is something to watch. While the exact numbers for rent are detailed, they are spread over many years, meaning the annual impact might be manageable. However, it reduces the company's flexibility to find cheaper space down the line if market conditions were to change dramatically. This kind of long-term lease is a significant operational expense, and its steady rise will be a factor in their financial planning. Think of it like signing a long mortgage. You are committing to these payments for a long time. For SolarMax, this lease is a significant commitment, and the growing rent means they need to ensure their revenue streams can comfortably cover these costs over the next decade. It suggests they are confident in their business operations and their ability to generate the income needed to support this lease. Overall, SolarMax's Technology Incorporated is making a clear statement about its commitment to its current location. While the increasing rent is a financial detail to monitor, the extended lease signifies a period of stability and potentially planned growth at that site. It's a decision that shows foresight in securing their operational base for years to come. And we'll be keeping an eye on how this long-term commitment plays out financially for the company. What do you think about SolarMax's decision to lock in their lease for so long? Does this commitment give you confidence in their long-term strategy, or does the rising rent worry you? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below if you found this breakdown helpful. Please hit that like button and subscribe to Corporate Decoder for more insights into company filings. And don't forget to check out our Discord channel in the description for more discussions and analysis. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.